Happy Sunday, everybody. It is restock day for my kitten. Going to refill with Purina cat chow. Look at her, she's ready to eat. And of course, they always make a mess. Couple scoops and it's done. We're gonna add all of these, all the good stuff into this one. Anybody else has to do this for their husband because I'm dead. Like, and he still feed them the treats, bro. Have 24 cans. I just gave them 2. Just throw it random, literally, like just like that. Hi, Meelo. Oh man. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Hi, Moona. I just give you food, baby girl. Just give you the food. Baby, my baby. Of their lickable snacks are here. Ah, it doesn't close. Man, hold on. Just like... of course. There we go. Hold on. Food is ready. Are you happy, kitten? Are you happy, kitten?